Good morning, sunshine. This is Mark from AMR USA Transportation, and coming up with another video for you guys. If you could please hit the like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you want, you can hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we send another video, and that will help a lot. Our channel grows. And today's video, we're gonna show you how to fix the cup holder noise that makes in the road. So whenever we're like driving, it's making some crazy noise here in the cup holder. So we'll show you how to fix this noise here, because it looks like the freaking motor is coming apart. Like, you can hear it. Put a little pressure and it stops. Look at that. It's all from the cup holder. Anyways, I'll show you guys how I will fix it. And all this noise you're hearing in the background is from this cup holder. And if you have the other one open too, make the same noise. And now, to avoid, I'm putting my cup over here on the door cup holder, so it kind of stopped. But then you gotta, reach all the way down to the door to grab your cup and stuff. So that's not good. But I'll show you how to fix this right now. Good morning, people. Oh shit. Renata's still sleeping and this door opens the whole thing. So we gotta be fast here. It's gonna be mad. Take this out. I'll put it in here. Put it in here for now. Oh boy. So it's good to have this. Sometimes you gotta put something in place. Alright, so we're gonna need this. And gonna need this. Oh, fuck. Oh boy. Too much things here. Alright. So let me put this back here. Got straps. I'll put straps here on top of the triangle. Alright, so now looks like we're clear. Now Renata can go back to sleep. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. This is like the rubber that you get it when you go to loads for those paper rolls. They put this in the trailer, on the dry van. If you don't do a dry van, it could be any type of rubber. This is my toolbox that you guys are gonna see what I bring today. I have everything here, man. So I'm gonna need a Caesar. Oh, got it. So I'm gonna just cut like any size here, just so I can make it a little bigger than the cup holder. And then I can use this, because I have two cup holders that makes noise. So I can make the mold with one and then do the other one, with the first mold. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna grab my cup. And a little bit of water, and I'll put this here, and I'll make a mold like that, so it'll be the size, See that? See the little circle? Gonna need more water. Gonna need more water. Just so you know, more or less where you have to cut, you know. So then now we're gonna cut a little bigger than whatever is here. I don't know if you guys can see, but because the cup is a little smaller than the cup holder, so all we gotta do is just follow this thing here the most round you can. And a little bigger. If you can see, I'm cutting like a 1/4 inch bigger than the watermark. Here is actually no water at all. I'm just going by the eyes. All right. We almost got a perfect circle. Alright, so let's go and test in the cup holder. If we need bigger, we just use this as a mold to make it bigger. Damn, perfect. See that? It fits perfect. Damn, don't even want to come out anymore. So then we just gotta make another one like this. See, because here it's all plastics. So then we gotta make one for the side too. And for this, see, there's all plastic, there's nothing here. So when the cups keep like vibrating with the motor and road noise, it makes a lot of rattling noise here, like this. So let's see if it's gonna get better. But this is perfect. So let me cut another one and I'll be right back. Alright, now that we have the 2 circles, we're gonna have to make the side. So we're gonna cut maybe like a little less than 1/2 inch strip, because we're gonna put on the side too, because the side is plastic. So whenever the cup is moving around, it hits the sidewalls of the circle. So we're gonna put a little piece of rubber there too. You can do it with whatever you want, like with the cloth. You can get a little piece of jeans, like you have a clothes that you're gonna throw it out. Make with a fiber, with those fiber towels, fiberglass towels or whatever it's called. So now we have two strips and a 2 circle. You just gotta make sure that the size is good, and we should be good to go. Let's see. So we're gonna put like this, and then we got 1 strip, and you're putting it like this on the side. You just gotta measure it to make sure it's perfect. Look. So what we're gonna do is just gonna kind of put some pressure in the side, and we're gonna put a little glue in there. So this is how it's gonna be. I'll show it in a little bit when it's done. So we're gonna put a super glue, any super glue you can find at a dollar store, you can find anywhere. Just put a little strip of super glue. You don't have to stick the glue on the bottom, because just the side being sticked is gonna hold this one. If you want to, you can, but if you put the glue just on the side is enough, so you don't have to, you know, put so much glue in everywhere. So I got this glue at Harbor Freight. So this comes like 3. It's like $2. It's just so this thing stays in place. It's not like, you know, it doesn't have to be like Gorilla Glue. If you have it already, good, but you don't have to spend like $7 to stick this thing there. So you just go here, 1 strip like this. You should be good, man. should be good, guys. Let's see. Just hold on to it. Hold on to it. Let's see if we can find something here so I can take this out. All right. Got a little bit here in the middle. There you go. You just put a little pressure on the wall, just so we'll stick to it. It sticks in like, I don't know, 30 seconds. So you don't have to be holding forever. But that's it. See, the bottom one is, it's kind of stick to it because of the sidewalls. It's kind of pressuring down. So let's do the other one, and then we're gonna do a test ride. A test ride, so we see if it's gonna be rattling again or if we'll be better. We'll find out together, guys. Let's see. Just hold for like 15 seconds, 30 seconds. And that's it. This should be done. Now all we need is the test drive. I guarantee it's gonna be better than before. I don't know if it's gonna solve the problem 100%, but we're gonna find out together, guys. Let's just go. And now we have Miss Renata driving, and no more noise. It worked, guys. It worked. It's a good thing. That's a good thing. We're in a really good pavement road, but even here, you see, guys, it's kind of shaking. See, nothing. Good. So you guys now know how to fix that thing, and if you have anything to put on the cup holder so it stop the noise, that's good. And it doesn't have to be this rubber, but we got this from the drive-in. Anyways, like it, comment, and if you tried and it worked, let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, just subscribe too, so you can see more videos, because I'm gonna do a lot of videos now of how to, you know, we're gonna fix it, you know, how to do this, how to do that. And so you guys can hit the bell for notification whenever we have no videos too. We're getting here to Walmart now, Sam's Clubs actually, to deliver this load, and call it a day. Let's go on to the next.